YouTube. What's the scene? It's your boy Chef back with another video, man. You see your boy got a cut, man. Your boy looking clean. Nah, let me chill. Nah, but as you can see from the title, man, yo, we got a different kind of video for y'all today, boy. I'm about to link up with, bro, everybody knows this, bro. Do your homework on my boy F97 Ant, G80 truck, nigga. Do your fucking homework. But yeah, I'm about to link up with my boy right now. Today we're gonna have him drive my manual M2. Now, shit, I don't know how good of a manual driver he is. I mean, he's a great driver though. But if y'all know my boy, you know, go hit up, you know, go check out the channel. The video is gonna be on his channel, so you know y'all can go check that out. But yeah, but we about to see how good he is at driving manual, cause he can drive automatic just fine. My boy's certified, but we gonna see how he gonna handle the M2. This a machine. But yeah, that's what we got into today. So I'm on my way over there right now. I'm about 20 minutes out. I'm actually a little late. We was actually supposed to have been do this video, but you know, your boy Chef, man, had to bust a quick wop wop. Feel me? Run some errands and shit. But yeah, man, we out here eating this content for y'all boys. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera when I'm over there. So yeah. Alright, y'all. Yeah. Alright, y'all. I just linked up with my boy Ant. Yeah, this is my boy Ant. We about to get his reaction to him driving the M2. I just put gas in this shit. So yeah, bro, we about to see what's up with my boy.
I need that light, man. You that motherfucking light.
Yeah, boy, you finding the gears good, yo.
I'm telling you, bro.
You finding
like,
the gears good,
like,
my boy.
I'm fucking with manual, bro. Like, this is really like probably what I need deep down inside.
My boy is natural, son.
Like, shit is auto rev matching. This shit is fire. What the fuck? Fifth. You know what I should have done? And I'm about to pull over and do. I'm gonna fill out all the gears first, so I know where to throw it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull over real quick. This nigga?
Nah.
That's fucking niggas from M Life.
Oh, okay, nigga. That fucking type R boogie, nigga.
Dude, right?
What the fuck they doing in that shit?
Right? What type are you even doing at M Life? That is crazy. What a fucking side quest.
I'm crying.
That is mad funny, bro. What the fuck? No, M Life is right there too. The shop is there.
Word?
Right there.
Okay. Nah, I ain't never checked those guys out.
Oh yeah? Not yet?
Nah.
Get good money.
Okay.
Hey.
Yo, I'm dead impressed, bro. You dead doing pretty good, bro.
Dead
I'm not
ass?
gonna lie to you. Nah, dead ass though.
Thank you.
Like,
Hell
bro,
yeah.
manual M, bro, you doing pretty good. I'm dead impressed. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Appreciate you. Like, you seen like way worse, right?
Nah, hell yeah. What the fuck, man? My brother was dog shit. What? That nigga was dog shit. He was, bro, that shit was crazy. I was like, nah, bro, you're bad.
Yeah,
But nah, you sturdy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You got that shit all the way in 6th. I remember when I first started, I was ducking like 5th and 6th.
Really?
That was a long time ago. Like when I was at my G and shit. Because I just couldn't find them. You know what I'm saying? The gears and shit, like I was just bad, like. So I just kept that shit like 4th.
Yeah, I feel like when I first got in this shit, bro, my main goal was to touch all the gears. That's what I wanted to do.
Yeah.
So even like when I was driving the 335, like I was saying earlier, I wanted to hit every gear. We went on the highway, first, second, and I'm a short shifting ass nigga. Like whether it's manual, whether it's automatic, I don't like bringing my car, any car I'm driving, up in the high RPMs. Like, unless I'm really racing it for real, I don't really beat on a car. I'm not really into that shit. I just short shift and just hear the car.
Yeah.
I'm sitting here, the intake spool up and all that shit. Fucking hot. This shit sounds fucking good. Yeah, cut that fucking resonator.
Yeah, I got you, bro. I got you, bro. When I come back.
This shit is gonna sound great, bro.
Damn, it's dark as fuck. Alright, my boys. We just got back to the crib, gave my boy Ant, let my boy Ant test drive the beast. He was fucking with it. But now we about to fucking bomba glide. Now we about to fucking ride in his fucking X3M right now. See how this shit go. Alright, bet. Bomba glide. Machine. Yeah, so we about to get in this shit. See how that shit go. Alright, yeah, we getting in the X3M. What?
X3M Easel.
Easel. shit, stars in this bitch.
Yes, sir. You say F97 in the back.
Words. And the cuts. Do your homework on the cuts.
Do your homework on the fucking cut water, man.
Sheesh.
It shouldn't been sitting that long. It shouldn't be that cold.
Sturdy. Yo, these should stay on?
Yeah, I got a code or two.
Nah, I need that.
Yeah, I'm gonna send you the code. Yeah, what I'm feeling for the clutch just now.
Yeah, nah, it be like that. Oh, nah. Hey, you're wildin', bud.
That shit's schooling.
What?
Yeah, this shit not even like half.
Yo.
Nigga start shifting like it's a manual, you know that?
Nigga, this shit is a jet.
See, man, once I really
Real life.
this shit's gonna be it. Turbo X3M. You know this shit got anti-lag and all that shit too.
Word.
Hell yeah. This I got different maps too. Like right now, this is my my calm, just want to hear the turbo map. See, when I go my ratchet map, this is my ratchet map. Map 1. No
Oh my god.
that's what it is.
Okay.